Hey guys, we're going to look at something that I tend to do all the time, almost unconsciously, and it's to do with my sort of picking style. And you've probably stumbled across it before, and I think it sounds great. So it's a trick called false harmonics. Now, we've done the harmonics before where you're actually going over a fret and hitting that really cool little tone. All right, so those are your harmonics, but you can't get them in most of the spots on a guitar. So if I go to the 10th, it's just not working. You can get a bit of a sound, but it's not great. What we can do is actually do it with a trick, okay? Now, I've got my non-existent pick, and if you're using a pick, hold it right up close, right up to the tip. The idea is when you hit it, you want to deaden the string a little bit. So you can hear with me, I've got there's my normal. And that's that false harmonic. And they're that really specific tone. So you've actually changed the timbre of the note there, which is quite cool. And you can do a lot more with them than you can. All right, so that's one trick to it. So holding the pick really close, getting that little false harmonic. All right, and that pretty much works anywhere. Now, the other trick with it, which kind of sounds a little bit better, is using a trick where if you're using a pick, hold it between these two fingers, and you're going to use your first finger to deaden it. All right. There we go, I've got it. So you're pinching between them, okay? So using your pick, pinching, and you've got to deaden that finger on. So have a little practice. So it took me a little bit to get that in there. But now, yeah, once you've actually got the feel for it, you can get a really good, see how that's a lot like a, all right, so if you do want that harmonic sound and you want to nail it in somewhere, using that false harmonic is a really good trick. So best way to practice this is to actually just jump in and run a scale down in false harmonics. So let's just go with a nice little, we'll use this harmonic minor just for something cool. All right, so we're going to all right, we'll try that again. All right, it's got quite a cool sound to it. So we go from the 12th run that one again. Got to get this, get it going in the first place is always the trick here. Again. All right, and we'll run it up. All right, it is one of those things, practice makes perfect. Slip it in here and there. My personal favourite though is just hold your pick up close or use that nail, and it's so easy, it's already natural for you. All right, it's an easy way, but if you really want that punch to come through, maybe on a recording, try it with the first finger, and look, you'll get some a little bit unique sounds, and now we're sort of filling out that bag of tricks that you've got for when you do get into your lead solos. We'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.